In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your Intuit account using QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or just getting started with your financial management, understanding how to effectively use these tools can make a significant difference in your workflow. First, let's begin by navigating to QuickBooks. Open your web browser and enter the URL for QuickBooks, or simply click on the link provided in the description below this video. This will take you to the QuickBooks homepage. Upon arriving, you will see your dashboard with all the essential features and tabs neatly organized for ease of use. Next, you need to click on your account. Your account icon is usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will display a drop-down menu. This menu holds several options for managing your account, subscription, and preferences. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it, as understanding these options will enhance your QuickBooks experience. From this menu, you should now select the option to manage your Intuit account. This step is crucial as it directs you into the Intuit Account Manager. Here, you gain access to even deeper customization options regarding your account. Think of this as your control room, where you can adjust security preferences and personal details to tailor your experience. When inside your Intuit Account Manager, the next step would be to click on Sign In and Security. This option is located within the Settings panel. By clicking this, you'll be entering a section dedicated to the security of your account. Security is paramount, especially when dealing with sensitive financial data, so this is where you can ensure your account is protected with up-to-date security measures. After you've entered the Sign In and Security section, it's time to focus specifically on your user ID. Click on the user ID to review your username information. It's essential to periodically check this information to ensure everything is current and secure. As practices like rotating usernames and passwords are encouraged, this is a vital area to manage. Finally, let's address your account's email settings. Click on the email option within the security section. Here you can view or update the email address linked to your Intuit account. Ensuring that your contact information is correct will help you stay connected with Intuit for any notifications or alerts concerning your account. It also serves as a recovery email should you ever need to reset your password or make crucial changes. And there you have it, the essential steps to managing your Intuit account through QuickBooks. Regularly checking and updating your account information helps ensure your data is secure and your business processes run smoothly. Thank you for following along, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.